Hello, everybody. So I am Sahil Sani. Maybe you guys know me or maybe not. Let's check out markets. We're gonna compare all the sectoral indices with Nifty as a benchmark. Let's start our study. It will be just for education purposes. Let's go directly to a little bit understanding. So this is market trend and understanding video. And hello, hello all. Nifty 50 will be our benchmark, as I just said, and we will be searching for some really good sectors which can be performed really very well in upcoming bull market, or I should say in ongoing bull market. So let's start. Disclaimer: no recommendation, only for educational purposes. Okay, guys. Sorry, a little bit, cold issues. So just skip this. Now I'll be sharing my this thing. Okay. नीचे चले जाओ भाई. Yes. So this is Nifty 50. Let's see the line chart. Let's make it a little darker. So it's now easily visible. Compare Nifty Pharma, Nifty Metal, Nifty Nifty what? Real estate, reality, yeah. Nifty Bank, and then Nifty Auto. और क्या रहेगा भाई? Nifty. Let's check out pharma, meta, reality bank, energy, FMCG. Okay. FMCG, infra. This is infrastructure. Nifty energy is done. Yeah, I think it's done. So pharma, this. Okay. Metal, I think. Yeah, it's done already. See FMCG does. And what's that? In the end. Nifty IT. Oh my god. I don't want to screen Nifty IT. So we have all the charts. At this time, it's a little bit confusing. Let's change colors. All the. Let's pick some different colors. We're gonna take a 2-3 minutes. So enjoy this drawing part of chart analysis. How we're gonna compare it. So for comparison, there must be something on the screen. Okay. So we are just trying to have something on the screen. First, we're gonna compare after the crash, that is March, April, and then we will compare it from last 10 years. Okay, a close picture and a bigger picture. Okay, I know it's time consuming. It's okay. It worth it. Yeah, yeah, it worth it, man. So अभी सब different colors और थोड़े bold हो चुके हैं ना, थोड़ा easy हो जाएगा. So weekly time frame के हिसाब से अगर देखते हैं, हमें चाहिए है first after April. So this is my April. Here we found our low. No, okay, good. This was a March end. Sectors made their low this time, and then after this, we witnessed a huge recovery. Okay, so 76%. It's really big. It was a huge recovery, and let's start understanding which indices actually did very well and which are performing better than Nifty 50. So this I can see this is the giving highest return. It is 114% returns given by Nifty Metal. Amazing, amazing kind of returns. I want to check out good stocks and the charts also. So we will keep doing this for better understanding. I think Tata Steel is the biggest player there. Yeah, technical view and full screen. So this is Tata Steel. Let's have a candle view. 1 week candle. Oh, very good. Wow. Actually, I made a blog on this Tata Steel. I actually traded it and able to earn around 50%. I'm very happy for that. Yeah. So as we can see, this area is around this much. So range is done already. Now it just took support at this level. Okay. So and the support what actually because one side really was huge and I was just running one side. So support was this point. So yeah, it's a very important price also. Price reacted very well at this area. This candle, this weak candle is really promising for upside move. Okay, so Nifty metal can see a good move. I just think that it can make a new all-time high because this rejection and then the continuation of bullishness is really good. Okay, this pattern, this was a kind of doji it made, but then this reversal and this continuation candle is really good. So future is really shining for Tata Steel and other metal stocks. So yeah, there's a gap. There's a not gap. There are chances for more upside move. Second one is this. Who are you? This is Nifty IT. Okay, Nifty IT. So actually, Nifty IT fluctuate because of two things: because of their the companies, how companies act, and second one is USD INR prices. So let's check out both of it. I think Tata Consultancy is the biggest player. So this is Tata Consultancy. 1 week candle again, and wow, man, this is good. This chart is good, and we still have some very good up move. Yeah. Oh my God, this is good. Yes. So yeah, first it was taking resistance at this price from last I think say 2 years, and then very good breakout. I think this range is already done here, or maybe a little bit range is left. Well, very little. This is a new continuation of pattern, and this round shape is really showing that it took very good support here, and now it's continuation of bull pattern. So I think 2600 and 28. So from 28 the range is around 3100. Yeah, so it has very good potential also. It's a good continuation. We will see 3100 soon. We can see. I should not say we will see. We can see. Okay. And the USD INR. Second important thing. USD INR. Here we go. This is USD INR. Weekly chart. Let's remove this volume. What I think in this that USD INR actually took support. So next week for USD INR is very important. If it break down from this level, means yeah, this is good. If it break down this level, then Nifty IT can a little bit correct, because increasing price of dollar and depreciation of Indian rupee is actually beneficial for them, because lots of IT companies have clients in foreign states, and they they trade based on their US prices, USD INR prices. So the up move of USD is important for them, but it's okay. It's if it continue upside from here, then it can make a all-time new high, because these are just swings, lower low, then higher lower. Actually it's lower low, and then it's higher high, then it's higher low, then again a higher high, then again a higher low. This low should not break from this point if it want to go upside. And for India as a country, it's good if INR price, if Indian rupee appreciate and dollar price decrease. It's good for India. So let's see how future went. So this was our second one, and this third one, the green one, auto. Yeah, very good. So auto charts are really very good. I shared a chart of Nifty. From Nifty Auto chart was Mahindra and Aisha Motors. Very good charts. Actually, I'm personally into those trades. So let me show you the charts. Mahindra. Yeah. We show you one more very good chart. That is Maruti Suzuki. Amazing chart. Okay. So what happened here into this Mahindra? I hope you can see this. Rejection, then a huge fall of our pandemic, then recovery, then rejection, then a very good breakout, and a retest is already done, and this weak candle actually engulf the previous candle. uh, it's not engulf, it's maybe something else, but the bulls are really heavy on the auto all the stocks, and continuation uh, is visible. Actually, I can see it in upcoming weeks. It should touch this 805 points and then maybe all time high, because range is really very high from 250 to 650. The range is around 400 points. So from 650 to 400 points, you can understand 1050. So it can touch all time high also, because range is open up from for upside and into Maruti. The pattern is beautiful. This was actually not good pattern, but when this candle actually engulfed the previous candle and able to sustain really very high, so it shows that bulls are really heavy. They have interest in this sector, on this sectors. And let me show you this. It's not just Maruti and this. Actually, all the auto stocks are looking really very good on chart. So you can see the range is like it can touch also all time high. So into nifty auto, I think the really real bull is entered, and now we can see something good in upcoming weeks. That's it. I should show you Aisha Motors also. This is Aisha Motors. Yeah, just see this camera. This is huge. Huge. That's way huge. Rejection, and then continuation of pulse. Amazing. Even if in the simplest chart you can see this, it was it is visible that peers cannot crack it, and bulls are just dominating this sector. Okay, so the third one is this one. Who are you? Real estate. Okay, so real estate is rising from just after the pandemic. Actually, people have to go to their houses and they have to stay. And if there's not much space for their office or anything, they have to buy some place or rent some place for that. So yeah, people actually are coming back to homes, and they have time to think about it, and they also saved some money also, I think. And it was a kind of a year of savings. Let's see, DLF. Oh my god, beautiful, right? But actually I'm not trading this. uh, so after just 20 points, it has a resistance. If this resistance broken and it able to sustain at this price level, then surely I will gonna enter it, because I can see it. It's really ready to for something big in upcoming time. Volume. Volume. This, you see this? All these upsides. This one, not like this volume. People are just buying. Maybe it's operator or someone else, or the participation is increased. Anything is possible. But the moving average line is increasing and the volumes are also increasing, and buying on single side, it's really good. And I hope you can see into all the stocks and indices this rejection candle. This was a single day fall, but price recovered really very well. This shows the confidence of market participants. They are ready to pay the price, and they just want all the dips to buying opportunities. Other one is this Nifty Bank. Yeah, actually, Nifty Bank is not able to make its lifetime high till now. Yeah, we should see some good stocks like HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank to all-time high. It's good to see banks. So yeah, it took resistance. The price, upcoming days, it has to break the resistance. Actually, volume is decreasing. Moving average coming down. This is not a very good sign for banks. Yeah, let's see. Really, this rejection is here. People are buying, but they're not able to sustain over this. Actually, in Bank Nifty now, this is some problem. I don't know what is it, but see this. All the indices made their all-time high, but Bank Nifty, still it's not able to make the all-time high. Some of the banks are having some problem of their credit because a few days back I also read an article on business standards that RBI is saying it that after the government support of the time period, something really bad can happen because there are lots of loans which are not continuously paying their EMIs. Or so let's see what happens. Actually, we don't know yet. Maybe after the spending increase, these. So this line is very important for Bank Nifty. In upcoming months, it has to break the line, sustain, and go up. Otherwise like because but HDFC has a this it was just under resistance, but Bank Nifty has a gap for this thing. It can reach there. Until then, HDFC can break the resistance also. Let's see how it reacts. Because this, let me show. I will show you all the chart. Just give me some time. And then this one. Who are you? So Nifty Pharma. Okay. Pharma. Who is the biggest pharma? I don't know. Let's check out. See the big pool of pharma. Sun Pharma and Dr. Reddy Davis. Let's check Sun Pharma and Dr. Reddy. Actually, why I'm checking this just one or two companies, because these are the biggest companies of the index. If they able to sustain, then you can see that the whole index can able to maintain it. So if there's no ETF of that index, then you can trade the heavyweight, because the heavyweight can move the index. Let's have a look over this. So it was a big time of this down cycle, and then it just start moving up. It has a big playground to move upside and do the things. Sorry. I think Sun Pharma is taking support of this trend line, and it can go upside. This was for this one, okay, because rejection was from this trend line at this candle, but the previous week we able to sustain over the level and it's going high. So yeah, it has potential to reach at least at 670 around level 650 670. It can reach there easily in coming days. Dr. Reddy. This is a chart of Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy has a different story. Okay, it was not in downside for too many days. It's just able to break out and able to sustain. Can you see this huge volume breakout? People book their profit and then bulls make it high again. So it's typical style of bulls. Letting every participant know that yes, they are dominating it. It took a little bit cool down period. Now it's going up. This is a rejection. We just saw made a higher low. So it's a new stop loss if anyone want to enter after breakout of these three candles, because these are just showing a inside candle bar. These both of these are rejection that bears are not able to sell it much. Bulls are sustaining it. After the breakout, people can enter. Stop loss can be this. But do your own analysis. Do not enter at any trade because of anyone. Okay, you guys are smart enough. Okay, this is really beautiful. Yeah, see this breakout, retest, and boom. This is the entry place, and how much it can do. 2000. So for it can go around 650, around 6500, around I don't know, maybe 6000, maybe. Yeah, but range is till 6500. Let's see. Okay, so we just tagged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 indices, which are outperforming Nifty 50 from last this from April till now. So it's around I think 10 months. Yeah, it's 10 months if we take January also. So yeah, let's check out now these these two three indices also. This one is infra. In infra, biggest companies I think L&T, Sin Turbo. Actually, my have a look, have a look. Resistance को हिट दिया and now breakout, and but volume is not too much. Actually, in December and volume was not good, so it's okay. It's okay sometimes. But we need, but people can enter here. Stop loss can be this. I don't want anyone to enter on my advice. Okay, it's just looking good. It did very good breakout, and this level is really good. Okay, just see this. I can draw for you this guys. Just have a look at this price. Price react respect this price a lot. It was not breaking, not breaking, and break and the huge fall. Okay, and it was and it did this respect to the resistance, and then breakout and sustaining very well. So in future, what we can see, what we can see is 50 this new all-time high. I can see really very well because this resistance is broken, this resistance is broken. It has just upside moving up. Okay, maybe infra is not able to make its all-time high till now, but future is really shining for infra also. I think all the indices are performing, all of them are performing, all of them are trying to make their all-time high. So in this bull market, we have these 2 3 sectors which will dominate the market, and I think the whole market will participate in the this bullish markets. I'm stopping the meeting here, and we will do a long term analysis afterward. So enjoy your day, guys.